Okay, that was the Karen village. Nice spot to just visit and get some souvenirs. Got inducted into the Karen village tribe, man. The red Karens. The Kareni. Alright, it's time to go back to the city. Found one good spot lah for massage. And why is there a leaf lah on my bike? Right, found a good spot at the angle. Rabaks kebabs. It's about 2.7 kms away. Okay, what else lah, guys? River crossing, Alright, what else? Hayabusa off-road, water crossing. Whew. Yeah, managed to got the video there. Alright, you can see the sun is setting here in Pai again. I got our lush greenery, got chickens and their chicks, we got our cows. It's time to go relax, man. Whoo, Swan Pra Inn coffee. Okay, let's slowly make our way up. There's a rocky road. Yep, this one lots of gravel, man. See, and cut to the left lah. Stay first, so that one's so steep. Actually, this one's so quite steep. Okay, no vehicles. And then I can just follow this road down. Oh, sunshine here in Pai. Little girl drop her bike. So cute. Got those walking type of bikes. There's my Mips, should be coming soon. And slow ride through Pai. This one is near the city area lah, so pretty straightforward. You get a hotel or resort around here, would be great, because if you want to go to the city, it's nearby. Some houses. Yes, this is all where the locals lah, because mostly it's all farms, right? Yeah. So this one is the weird one lah. I think this one all for the small bike. Oh, you see the sign in my map. There's the petrol vending machine, man. I don't know what's up with that, but yeah. Never did try, because I don't know what's the petrol like for that one. Small bike, and then all this rented bike, all don't bother lah, you know. Whatever petrol, cheap one also just pump and get. See the tuk-tuk also abandoned down there. But for your own bike, that one go pump properly lah, guys. You know, spend a bit more. You know, nothing wrong with having better grade petrol. Want to everything also cheap, then rabak, then I don't know what to say lah. I might as well go and get small bike, you know, small bike can tahan all this lower grade petrols. Okay, all the bumpy roads. Then we got one downhill here. Gotta watch out on the left. Got people even jogging. Yep, see the one motorbike. There's auntie chill with the boy in front, and his baskets. Here you gotta push his cart all the way this uphill. I don't know how lah. Right, so this time down here, it's now where we just went past, back to the city area. Okay, even here if you just coming here by yourself, right, can get all these small rooms lah nearby, all walking distance. You don't want to rent bike and stuff, all is nearby. I thought I was supposed to go straight some more, but since got shortcut, then we take shortcut lah. So heading to one of the massage place, which seems to have good rating. Sapaiya, I think it's called. Around there's roads. Oops, check for the lady. There's literally no space for pedestrian to walk, so they'll be cutting into the road. This one, it seems like a specialist kind of massage place, so see how it goes lah over here. How good is it? This one also is all like Thai massage, oils, herbal, all that kind of stuff lah. I usually will choose all this type one, where got many options, you know. So you want the type where you just want to relax and just do a normal massage, then it's okay. Let me see, it should be somewhere around here, or is it further up or further up? Okay, go to Sapaiya, customers only. But behind, oh, yep. Alright, go get massage. Then after that, can go get some makan. Then I see you guys in a while.
you.